Rob Van Vuren plays the character of Carl, who is the voice of sanity in this film.
Well, thank you. That's really nice of you.
I'm talking about your character.
I don't know what to say
Tell us a
about
bit
that.
about the voice of sanity.
I think Carl, in many ways, is like the heart of the movie. He's the guy that you kind of feel sorry for, that you kind of connect to emotionally. He looks up to Johnny's character.
But why?
So much. No one knows why. And you see him kind of struggling to remain friends with this absolute.
Do you know every circle of friends has got that one friend that really wants to make the whole friendship work for everybody? This is that
That guy.
douchebag. He's desperate for friends. I don't know, he must have had a really lonely childhood. I don't want to give away too much because he's got a pet in this deal, but I don't want to give away too much. Let's just say, he's that guy.
You know what? He's the most loyal friend. That's what it is. You know, people you know from when you're at junior school, and when they turn out to be, you still remember them from their junior school days, and so you give them the benefit of the doubt every time. And I think that's what Carl does in this film.
Okay, now just to backtrack to Rob's partaking in the film, were you part of the drunken night where the movie was
No,
born?
I had absolutely nothing
you were
to
just
do
sucked
with
in by
the invention of this
John
movie. I had nothing to do with the idea behind it. In fact, when John phoned me and told me the idea, I thought he was mad and that it wouldn't work. But I didn't tell him that. I was like, yeah, sure. Sure, I'll be in your
So you let me go through
movie.
for 5 years, and now you're going to tell me it doesn't work.
It wasn't. I keep telling everyone this movie was made by mistake, and it was. But it's because of that the movie is really, really special and unique, and it really does have a heart, and it has something all its own. It's really a wonderfully unique, fresh little thing.
So what made you buy into it?
That's a good question.
When he contacted you?
John has an infectious energy, and that energy is apparent in the fact that the movie actually exists, because by all rights it shouldn't exist. But because he's just so incredibly passionate and driven, he brings people along for the ride. And it wasn't even like a choice I had. It was just like, this guy's decided I'm in his movie, I'm going. Because if I say no, it's going to be more painful trying to get him off my back and blocking him off my phone list. And I'm so glad that I did go along for the ride, because it turned out to be the most wonderful experience, the best work I've done on film by a long shot, and the movie I'm most proud to be a part of. So.
And let's quickly just touch on the musicians. That was deep.
Was that professional or was that?
Paid
That's
for.
how I feel.
Let's touch on the musicians that you got to kind of take part in this.
We did touch some of those musicians.
Just on the trailer, you see Wynand, there's a slap, not slap, hit, not hit. You see Pierre throwing a tantrum in a recording booth. So tell us a bit about that.
Anyone who is everyone in the South African music industry, specifically the Afrikaans rock industries, in this movie. They've invested their time and energy into it. They've given it a realism that the movie just otherwise wouldn't have had, and it desperately needed it. And I mean, there's everyone. It's like you say, Pierre from the Herbals,
Chris Chameleons and
Chris, Arnu, all the folk of guys.
Randall Abrams.
Randall's in it, Kurt, Darren,
Kurt.
Yeah,
the
Kurt.
guys from 340 Mil, you said Khan, King, so many amazing musicians who we're all fans of, and it was so rad to have them on set and to be part of the adventure with us. It's really cool.
He can
And
be
that's
a rock
probably
star and
some of
also
Fat Spinning right
probably
now.
Khan's asking where you are.
Oh, it's
Since these are the stars of the show and they get all of the screen time, do you mind if I have a private word with the camera?
Yes.
Have a private word.
You guys got to come watch this. This is unbelievable. This is most probably going to be the most unbelievable thing you've ever seen. You know when you're driving past an accident on the road somewhere and you're tempted to look at it? This is the equivalent in a movie form. You're going to love this. It's fabulous. I've got to go. See you later.